What if you could buy products on Amazon for $20 and sell them on eBay for $40? That's exactly what arbitrage is, and people are making hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly doing this from their couch. In the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through the complete method step by step so you can start finding profitable products today. Arbitrage sounds complicated, but it's simple. You find products selling for less on one platform and sell them for more on another. Amazon to eBay is one of the most popular methods because both platforms have massive audiences and you're never holding inventory. You buy from Amazon only after someone purchases from your eBay listing. Here's the complete walkthrough. Step 1. Find profitable products. You need to identify items on Amazon that you can flip for profit on eBay. Use tools like Zik Analytics or Terapeak to research what's selling well on eBay. Look for products with high sell-through rates and good profit margins. Focus on categories like electronics, home goods, toys, or collectibles. The key is finding products where there's a price difference of at least 30 to 50% between platforms. Step 2. Calculate your real profit. Don't just look at the price difference. You need to factor in all costs. eBay charges about 13% in fees. PayPal or payment processing adds another 3%. Amazon's price plus tax. Shipping costs if not included. After all fees, you should aim for at least $5 to $10 profit per item to make it worth your time. Use a simple spreadsheet to track this. Step 3. Create your eBay listings. Once you've found profitable products, list them on eBay. Use the exact product photos from Amazon, write clear descriptions, and price competitively. Start with buy it now listings rather than auctions for more predictable income. List 10 to 20 products initially to test the market. Step 4. Fulfill orders strategically. When someone buys from your eBay listing, immediately purchase the item on Amazon and ship it directly to your eBay buyer. Use Amazon Prime if you have it for fast shipping, which keeps your eBay ratings high. Make sure to remove any Amazon branding or invoices before it ships, or use a service that handles this. Step 5. Manage your business. Track every transaction in a spreadsheet. Monitor which products sell fastest and have the best margins. Reinvest your profits into listing more products. Scale gradually. Some arbitrage sellers list hundreds of products and make $2,000 to $5,000 monthly once they've systemized the process. Here are the keys to success. First, start small with just 10 listings while you learn the process. Second, use repricing tools to stay competitive as Amazon and eBay prices fluctuate. Third, provide excellent customer service because your eBay rating is everything. Fourth, stay within eBay and Amazon's terms of service. And fifth, treat this like a real business, not a hobby. The biggest mistakes: listing products with margins too thin, ignoring fees, or not responding quickly to customer questions. Avoid these and you'll build a steady income stream. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And check the link in the description for resources that can help you get started faster.